Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO F23. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now go to display and brightness. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change display mode between light and dark. We can schedule the dark mode, and in more dark mode settings we can change dark mode style between enhanced, medium and gentle. We can adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust icons to dark mode, reduce contrast in low light and enable dark mode for third-party apps. Then we can change brightness level of the screen, enable or disable auto brightness, change screen color mode between vivid, natural, and color temperature between warm and cool. Next, you can enable or disable icon for mode, schedule it, change its intensity and color. Then we can change font size, font weight, and enable or disable adaptive font weight. Then we can change display size between large, small and standard, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable and disable adaptive sleep, screen refresh rate between high and standard, and enable full screen mode for apps or hide not for apps. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.